Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll discuss about the function modifier that we have in a Solidity language. Okay, so let's first make a file named modifier dot SQL for Solidity, and as you already know that first of all you just need to comment out the license, then pragma Solidity, then the version, then we need to start with contract keyword, then I'm taking name as example. Okay, so basically modifier is a special thing that is going to add a special behavior for a particular function. Okay, and to be very specific, basically with the help of modifier we can able to control who can access the function, who can access a particular function. Okay, so here I'll be making a function, okay, that can be accessed by the admin only. Okay, so for that I'm going to create a way, okay, to store the admin identity or admin address. Okay, so for that I'm taking address to store the admin identity or admin address, and I'm taking the name as admin. Okay, and I'll be initializing this admin value or admin identity when I'll be deploying this the smart contract. Okay, so there is a way we can initialize with the help of constructor. Okay, so constructor, and so admin, and this identity of this value will be message msg dot sender. Okay, image, and I already discussed that what is message dot msg dot sender. It is basically a global global variable that is going to help us to give the address the account going to deploy the smart contract. Okay, so I'm storing that account address or that account identity within my admin. Okay, so yeah, so constructor is going to call only once when we'll be deploying the smart contract. Okay, so yeah, so it will be it will help us to initialize the admin identity properly. Okay, now I'll be making a function, and the function name will be get message, and I need to declare. Okay, before that I just need to make the modifier. So for that I just need to specify the modifier keyword itself. So modifier, then we need to take any name. I'm just taking only admin. Okay, and yeah, first of all we just need to check that within this modifier we need to check that the account going to access this function is really the admin or not. Okay, so we have a keyword require that is going to check. So admin equals msg dot sender. Okay, we'll be checking that the account, okay, just going to access as this function currently, is it really our admin or not. Okay, if this is equal, then this function will be executed successfully, otherwise it's gonna give an error. Okay, so yeah, we can also specify our error within the within this code. So yeah, we'll display like only admin can access. Okay, we'll be displaying this kind of error message when this will going to be wrong. Okay, and if this is successful, if this checking mechanism is successful, then we'll execute this function successfully. For that we just need to specify this. So this is this specify that this function will execute successfully. Okay, so now let's specify this name to the function so that only admin can access this function and no one can access. And we just need to specify the public keyword to access from outside, and we want to return something, right? So for that first of all view, we want to read some value, and returns, we want to return the string type, so string, and we need to mention the memory keyword itself, and we are going to return hi. Okay, admin here, we're going to return a message like admin here. Okay, this will be the message. Okay, so now let's deploy this, and I'm just choosing this first account to deploy, or it will be it will be the address or the identity of our admin. Okay, so let's deploy this, and you can see the success log. And this is the result. Okay, let's click on get message. Now you can see the admin here, because yeah, we deployed with this this ID, and we are accessing from this ID, so that's why it's giving the successful results. But okay, first I'm just erasing all the logs. Then if I select another account, okay, I deployed from this account. Now I'm just selecting this account to access this function. Okay, now let's see what will be happening. Okay, now if we click on this, okay, you can see there is a error message. Okay, this is example dot get message dot error, and this is, you can see that the transaction has been reverted to the initial state. Reason provided by the contract is only admin can access. Okay, so yeah, we can see this more clearly. Okay, let's deploy this again. Okay, with the help of first account. So deploy this, and you can see the success log. Now I'm just erasing all the logs. Okay, so we can able to see properly. Now if we select another account, this account, to access, okay, to access our function, okay, get message function, then I'll be getting no message and I'll be getting error. Okay, let's see, you can see there's no message. Okay, I'm not getting output, I'm getting an error, the same error. Okay, the transaction is reverted, and because of this, okay, only, and we're getting this error message that only admin can access. So okay, so we can so you can see that this function is only this function can access by the admin only. Okay, so yeah, with the help of modifier, okay, we can use this kind of, we can add this kind of behavior for a particular function. Okay, and I think you enjoy the video. That's all.